G'day, guys.
To the Random Dan channel.
G'day, bro. How are you, cunt?
We certainly don't call people cunts down under.
You fucking cunt. You're a good cunt.
He wasn't down under. I said you. It's not meant to be wrong, though. Today,
We'll be talking about some fucking good shit today, bro.
yeah. These guys blow up stuff, you know.
That's right, cunts.
Yeah, haven't seen this video, but what the first one is a potato can blowing up in the guy's hands.
I'm gonna eat your brother.
Where you going?
Yeah.
What was that?
Yeah. G'day, guys. It's me from down under Texas.
No, don't be. There's the Aussie accent, mate. Aussie accent.
Oh, okay.
And so people blow up shit, but
it's natural. It's natural. I blew up my. I blew up my phone.
You blow. Yeah. You certainly did blow up his phone.
Damn, sir. Hello. I'll do shit when you blow up. Okay. Well.
So let's get back to the point. These people have done experiments, but they've gone a bit wrong. Some of them are a lot wrong, you know. You know, you're playing with danger, you know, poking the old beast. Let's get right in the video.
Yeah, that's.
Yeah, go right in the video. So.
I can taste it.
Ready?
Go.
Oh, damn! Yo, man! He's got some shrapnel on his shirt.
What the f?
Oh, damn! That's a good. Do you hear the ring at the end?
Dr. Pepper.
Oh! I love how it just went.
Nope.
A fucking egg. What's that?
What's that?
Oh! Hey! You should have jumped back. It's like this pouring it in, you know? Just jump back, mate.
Oh!
Yeah, that rock was good. Let's see. Oh!
My dang!
That replay was good. I love this guy, but. Oh! Yeah! Ooh!
That red nipple.
What's this?
Get that.
Shake it up good, mate.
Oh, my hand in that hecker hurts bad.
Should have shaked it too much. Fuck, made a teach like that at school. Oh, that's a rubber band. You put heaps of rubber bands around a watermelon and it explodes. Oh! I like how it hit, but it's kept him pushing on it. It just kept him pushing. That's not too exciting.
In a half gallon of vinegar.
Holy crap, screw it on,
Yeah, gallon vinegar.
Jake has guts.
Jake has guts, he's playing with vinegar and whatever. Oh. He just got sprayed.
Oh no!
Oh! No, I don't know what that is. That's cool we used to have
Sunlight
that.
is being concentrated through the glass, straight into the
Yeah,
food.
concentrate alright, mate. Oh, maybe too much concentration. Hello, yeah, it's like you on purposely did it, but made it act like you didn't do it.
If you do, you're dead.
Your dad's home. If you do, you're dead. Fuck, you're dead. He's dead, mate. You're dead. Someone didn't read the instructions!
Damn, that's
Someone didn't read the instructions on that rocket. Oh! What is that?
Just tell me when to throw it. Whenever you feel like it, man.
Oh! Whenever you feel like it, man. Man, that's sabotage to your friend. Just whenever you feel like it, man, you can hold it there for a minute, maybe give it 2 more shakes and see how it goes. But, you know, just hold it, mate. Just hold it.
Yeah, that's right, guys. Now,
what are you putting on this accent?
Unfortunately, it's gonna have to come to another end of the video.
This accent,
guys,
every video.
I'm so sorry, but well, this is Random Dan. I'm Big Jordan. I'll be linked in the bio. Go check him out.
No, link shit on YouTube.
Are you fucking an idiot?
No, I'm a YouTuber. Just subscribe and I will be a proper YouTuber. Subscribe.
And I'll see you Vic come next year and I'll be like the biggest fuckwit there.
Vic on Australia, mate. Vic on Australia.
Hey Vic, if you're watching You got the hookup, boy.
Yeah,
You got the hookup.
we good craze, mate. We good craze. Just watch the content, watch the contract, and you will know we're the ones.
We are the ones that you call.
The ones. We are the ones.
Ah.
We're the ones.
Okay, you ready for it?
We're the ones.